Today, Betic bets on how many solutions we have created. The secret of change is to focus all your energies not on fighting the old, but building the new. And everyone's invited, whether they're from IIT or not. Products such as Club Foot Monitor, Hybrid Plaster Splint have all come from these hackathons. AlgoSurge is a Silicon Valley success story. Betic has placed 16 happy bets in the market.
And I think government is doing all it can. There is a huge change in the environment in terms of the policy improvement.
We are in the office of IU Devices, a Betic success story.
Indian-made IU Link, which is basically a stethoscope with augmented capacity to record the heart sounds and seamlessly transmit it to cloud devices, from where I can retrieve, assess and opine whether the person or the patient is having heart disease or no, and what kind of therapy he needs.
The magnitude of the problem you're trying to solve is so overwhelming that sometimes I feel that whatever you've done is not enough.
Experiments like Betic therefore become a necessity and could potentially form the heart of Make in India, giving impetus to local innovations.
The title of our project is Vision-Based Electronic Mobility Aid for Visually Impaired People. This project is sponsored by Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, Government of Maharashtra. This project has been implemented in 3 phases. In phase 1, a smart clothing approach has been implemented. In this, a stereo camera and ultrasonic sensors provides information of the surrounding environment to a high-speed computing system, and in turn, the system provides its simplified interpretations to the visually impaired subject with the help of spoken messages and variable intensity vibrations. On similar line, in phase 2, Smart Spectacles is implemented to detect traffic signs and other obstructions on the road. In this, the Smart Spectacle system detects the traffic signs and obstructions on the road and conveys their simplified understanding to the visually impaired subject with the help of spoken messages and vibrations. In phase 3, we are working on a modular electronic system to understand a bus and its route. This electronic system will be installed inside the bus and at the bus stop. In this, the location recognition module and a portable computing system will understand the information of the bus and conveys its interpretations to the visually impaired subject in the bus and at the bus stops. These aids have remarkable distinctions compared to existing assistive aids. We are very grateful to Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission for a very good academic learning. Because of this project, we could understand real-world problem solving. Our team has got an excellent exposure on advanced tools and techniques. We received a great appreciation from Padma Bhushan and Padma Shri Dr. Vijay Bhatkar sir, and received a noteworthy recognition from digital and print media. We are very grateful to Honorable Dr. Anil Kakodkar sir, Honorable Anil Manekar sir, Dr. Rushali Kulkarni madam and Mr. Dinesh Jagtap sir for their invaluable guidance. Thank you so much.
Project Pilot Scale Demonstration of Value-Added Products from Surmi was initiated at ICR, Central Institute of Fisheries Education, Mumbai and College of Fisheries, Ratnagiri in 2014. This project was funded by Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, Mumbai. Dr. Amjad Balange, principal investigator of the project, made project successful with co-investigator team members. We were successful in achieving our prime objectives by value addition and conversion of fish raw materials to different types of products and making people train for surmi and value-added product preparation. We conducted several training programs to demonstrate low-cost value-added fish products, and project successfully completed within 3 years. For making it successful, we purchased equipments for different product development and demonstration. We developed fish vada, fish shave, fish cutlet, fish chakli, fish papad, fish wafers, fish sausages, pickles, coated fish balls from low-cost fishes. The main objective of the project was entrepreneurship development through skilled manpower along the coastal areas of Maharashtra. This objective can be very well achieved through training programs in the area of value addition of fish. Accordingly, a series of training programs were conducted in the coastal areas of Maharashtra in Versova, Arnala, Mahim, Navi Mumbai, Ratnagiri, Raigad and Sindhudurga district, and also at our institute at Andheri. Through this project, we trained around 900 fishermen and 160 women self-help groups. This new concept attracting people to take up this business activity. We received appreciation from former CM of Maharashtra on 19 January 2018 for providing outstanding services to the women self-help group. We participated in Indian International Science Festival in 2016 at Delhi and science exhibition at Thane for awareness. Project success is because of sincere efforts taken by Institute and College of Fisheries Ratnagiri to develop entrepreneurs. ICRC-FE Mumbai developing low-cost need-based technologies which will be helpful for entrepreneurs. This work will be continued by linking the trained manpower with Agribusiness Incubation Center at CIFE Mumbai. Thank you.
An educational teaching and assessment tool for hearing impaired children up to class 5 for the subject of maths and English using Indian Sign Language. Project funded by Rajiv Gandhi Science and Technology Commission, Government of Maharashtra. Sign language is a formal language using a system of hand movements and gestures used for communication. In India, oral communication is enforced in most schools for teachers find it comfortable and parents are attracted to it. So we plan to bridge all the gaps and foster the growth of hearing impaired students. In the database of characters, there are approximately 192 images for each class from A to Z. In the database of digits, there are approximately 4,000 images for each class from 0 to 9. In the database of dynamic gestures, there are 13 classes and each class is having 180 videos. The techniques used are machine learning approach for digit and mathematical symbol recognition, deep learning approach for digit and mathematical symbol recognition, English alphabets and word recognition module using machine learning, dynamic hand gesture recognition using two-stream CNN. In gesture recognition using deep learning, the training is done using the VGG16, GoogleNet and AlexNet pre-trained networks. The trained model is created and the testing is done and the gestures are classified. In gesture recognition using two-stream CNN, the videos of the gestures are classified into temporal and spatial frames and they are trained using the CNNs, and Softmax Core Fusion is done to recognize the gestures. So the accuracy is achieved in the real time for digit recognition is 70 to 75%, 60 to 65% in alphabet recognition, and in video gesture recognition it is around 92%. Achievements: development of English and Maths teaching modules, development of static and dynamic gesture recognition with GUI for assessment. Thank you.